Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to start an LLC in Virginia LLC Formation Guide. So let's get started. So now I'm going to walk you through how to start an LLC in Virginia in just 5 simple steps. If you want to bypass the whole process and let someone handle it for you, then check out the exclusive deal in the description below for Northwest Registered Agent. They'll do everything for you for just $39, including a free year of registered agent services. So now let's proceed to the steps. So step 1, choose a name for your LLC. The first thing you need to pick is a name for your LLC because Virginia has a strict naming guideline. So make sure that your name includes limited liability company or one of its abbreviations like LLC or L.L.C. It must also be distinguishable from other business names already registered in Virginia. So to avoid any mistakes, be sure to check if your desired name is available by visiting the State Corporation Commission's Clerk Information System. So to visit that website, all you have to do is search for google.com and search here, State Corporation Commission's Clerk Information System, Virginia. So once you have searched for this on Google, then you would have this first link from virginia.gov. So you want to click on that. And now from here, this would load up and we would now have the business entity search. So this is where you would be able to check the availability of your business name. So you just simply want to type your business name right here and click on search and see if there are any other business that has the same name as you. If so, then it's not available. Once you've locked down your LLC's name, don't forget to register your website domain if you need one. And now step number 2, which is to appoint a registered agent. So this person or company will handle all legal documents on your behalf. In Virginia, your registered agent must have a physical address in the state and be available during business hours. You can be your own registered agent, but using a service like Northwest Registered Agent ensures privacy and convenience. Plus, with the deal I mentioned earlier, you'll get a full year of registered agent services for free when you use Northwest to form your LLC for just $39. The link is in the description below. And now, step number 3. File the Articles of Organization. So the third step is to file your Articles of Organization with the Virginia State Corporation Commission. This is the document that officially forms your LLC. You can file online, by mail, or in person. The fee is $100. So there might be some additional fee depending on the method on how you will be submitted your form. And then you'll need to include key details like your LLC's name, registered agent information, and address. And we've got the link below to get you started. And now step number 4, create an operating agreement. While not required by Virginia law, drafting an operating agreement is highly recommended. This document outlines the ownership and operating procedures of your LLC. It's especially important if your LLC includes multi-member, so that you would be able to avoid future disputes. But it's also helpful for single-member LLCs to keep everything clear and organized. This agreement can be essential when opening a business bank account or applying for loans. And now, finally, step number 5, get an EIN or Employer Identification Number from the IRS. This is like a social security number for your business and is required if you plan on opening a business bank account, hiring employees, or filing taxes. The good news, it's free and can be done online in minutes on the IRS website. And that's it. By following these 5 steps, you can easily form your LLC in Virginia. However, if you don't want to deal with all the paperwork, I highly recommend letting Northwest Registered Agent professionally take care of it for you. They've helped thousands of businesses get started, and for only $39, you'll get a peace of mind along with a free year of registered agent services. Click the link in the description below to get started. Thank you for watching.